Welcome to the Visible Ear Simulator tutorial videos. In this video, we will introduce software, the VES, OpenAL, and Visual C++, drivers, and TouchSmartSetup. The VES can be downloaded as freeware from our website, visibleearsimulator.com. Simply click Download. Then open the Downloads folder. Right-click the file and extract it to any folder where you want to save the installer. Open the folder with the downloaded VES and double-click the VES installer.exe file. Press Accept to automatically install all the necessary supporting programs. Great! VES has been installed and can now be launched. To ensure optimal performance, download the newest Haptic device driver from the 3D Systems support page. Install the driver and you'll be ready to connect the device. Plug in the power cable at the back of the Haptic device. Then, connect the Ethernet cable to one of the available ports. Well done. The final step is to calibrate and complete the simulator setup. Watch the next video to proceed.